speakers, do you know what is Wheel of Life? Yes, when you're not confident on stage, we feel that I'm getting nervous because I have never spoken in front of this audience. It's a huge audience. It is unknown to me. But you know what? The real reason for your low confidence is the Wheel of Life. Yes, let's talk about it today. What is Wheel of Life? So basically our life has different areas. Okay, so Wheel of Life, if you just type on Google, you will get different pictures. Okay, so there are around 8 sections in our life, but today I'll be talking about only 4 major sections. Okay, that is health, relationships, career and finance, and your spiritual side. Okay, so let's start with the health. Now, if you are obese, okay, and you're not very confident about your health, okay, if you feel that I do not look good, or maybe I'm not smart enough, I do not have a fit body, okay, I always have something or the other, some health issues. So if you're not confident about your body, your health, that will be reflected on your overall personality and you will not be confident. Coming to your relationships, suppose you're not happy or not confident in your relationships, right? Suppose you get humiliated all the time from your spouse, or relationship meaning not only your personal relationship with your husband and your kids, but your professional relationships as well. Suppose you're working in a company and you get dejected by your boss all the time. So that also lowers your confidence, right? Next is career. You are not doing well in your career, you feel stuck, you're not happy in your career, you're working hard day and night, you are putting in a lot of efforts, you're giving your 200%, but you're not getting the desired results, you're not getting promoted to the next position. Guys, that will also affect your confidence and that will be reflected on your personality while you go on the stage, right? About your finances, see, career and finances are two different things. Okay, career is how well you're doing in your job, and finances is your bank balance, your wealth. Okay, if you feel that you do not have enough wealth, the amount of money which you have says a lot about your confidence, right? It means that you're not confident, right? The last part is your spiritual side. Spiritual side is, how much you are connected to the divine, how much you are connected to the universe. Now, do you prioritize yourself? Do you believe in yourself no matter what? Do you take out time for yourself in that grind of life? Do you loosen out yourself in the universe? Do you actually go to a sea beach, enjoy yourself? So it depends how confident you are. Now, because it has become a rat race and we are so used to the daily grind, the same routine we are following. We live a stressful life and nobody cares about themselves. That really affects your confidence. Why I mentioned all these 4 areas? Because if the confidence is low in any of these 4 areas, like health, relationships, career, or your spiritual side, it will affect your confidence while you are speaking on stage. So from today onwards, just check the area of your life where you need to fix it, where you need to improve it, okay, so that your overall confidence will be better and better. Right now, I don't say that like your each area should be perfect, because nobody's life is perfect, and that is why it is called life, right? So what you have to do is, suppose you feel that the health area is something which is bothering you a lot, you are like more obese and which is attracting a lot of diseases, you need to fix that first. Suppose now first you have to rate it out of 10. Out of 10, if you give a 5 on any area, you are smooth, the spokes are balanced and you are ready to move. The wheel of life is ready to move. The spokes should be balanced, right? So that the wheel will move. Just find out that area which is like really weak. If you rate yourself 2 out of 10, in terms of like you're not happy with that area, so it's time to fix that. So try to improve it to at least from 2 to 3 or 2 to 5. So what you need to do in that area to regain that confidence, So yes, that's about Wheel of Life, and keep watching.